Ay, hiwi mong lubot, ha? Ayaw panggahi. Relax na. Relax. Relax your muscle. Oh, Ellie. Yay. Relax. Oh, see?
Good morning.
Ellie.
You say good morning.
Greet everyone.
Say good morning.
Good morning,
Morning.
guys. Today is June 9, 2026. Ano na, late na kami. 11:52 na ng morning. Pupunta kami sa Columbus.
State House.
Sa State House ng Columbus. Tutor namin doon. Tapos, lang. Tapos, plan din namin magpunta sa malaking Asian market doon. Bibili kami ng sukang pinakurat dahil wala dito. Dalawang Asian market meron kami dito sa Finlay, but wala kaming nakita ng sukang pinakurat. Tapos, pupunta din kami. Try namin magdaan
Costco.
ng Costco. Okay, so for now, tapon muna kami ng basura ni Ali. Ay, lock na lang yun.
Ah.
Ate, let us pray. Ellie.
Turn left onto Tatham Avenue.
Punta na kami, guys. Yan na.
At the stop sign, turn left onto West
Mag-
Sandusky Street.
Doon na din kami magla-lunch. Nakapag-breakfast naman kami na heavy. Nag-rice kami. Si Ellie din nag-rice. Kasi sinabi ko, pag hindi ka magra-rice, walang gala today. Hi! Ellie, oh! Wow! That's so nice, Ellie! Baliktad, Ellie! Bye, house!
Turn right onto M Street.
Bye, house! See you later, house! Ayan. Gagala kami, guys, kasi duty na naman bukas, straight 3 days na naman.
In half a mile, turn
Sa
right
weekend,
onto
off
West
na
Main
naman
Cross
ako.
Street.
Try namin ngayon pumunta doon sa State House. Tingnan namin kung gaano kaganda. Although nakita naman namin kanina sa Google. Pero mas maganda pa rin yung makita sa personal. Malapit lang naman dito, mga 22 miles lang.
At the next
So,
light, turn right.
estimated travel time is around 1 hour and 43 minutes lang. Ayan. Try natin puntahan para talaga masulit talaga yung weather tsaka yung bakasyon ni Ellie. And para dahan-dahan na ding matutour yung Ohio. Kasi hindi namin alam kung magtatagal ba kami dito after the contract or aalis agad kami after
At the light,
ng
turn
kontrata
right
ko
onto
under
West
sa
Main
PRS. So,
Then take the first right for
habang
75
guys,
south.
habang medyo malayo-layo pa tapos maganda yung weather, it's the best time na maggala talaga.
At the light, use the right lane to merge onto I-75 south.
Cupcakes! You have
towards
cupcakes? Wow! Yung State House lang, no?
Ohio State House.
Yung Ohio State House.
Parang Capitol ba sa atin?
Oh, yun yung parang capital sa
Pero sa ibang
atin.
state, ang tawag niyan is State Capitol.
State capital dito,
State House.
State House. So,
Same
iba-iba
lang yan.
pala, pero same lang. Doon naman sa atin, sa parang Capitolio, yun. Nandun
Provincial
yung
capital sa atin.
provincial capital. Nandun yung office ni Governor. So, dito din puntahan namin.
Use the
Pwede
right
naman daw
lane to
pumasok
take the
kasi
exit
public,
onto West
naman siya,
68 south.
public office naman siya. So, pwede pumasok. Ay namin puntahan doon. Tapos, i-share namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakita namin. Yun lang naman, guys, para din, kasi naman kung palagi na lang kami
Take the exit.
Walmart, gano'n. Kasi nga sabi nila, Walmart na naman. Sabi nila, then ngayon, try natin ngayon, guys. Tingnan natin. Maaga kaming nag-prepare, pero mabagal lang talagang kumilos kasi medyo napagod pa kahapon. Plan kasi sana namin kahapon, magsaisali yung Columbus na
Use the
side
left
trip.
lane to
Kaya
keep
lang,
left onto
pagod
US
na talaga si
68
Creo
south.
kasi 4 a.m. pa siya nagising para mag-prepare. So, yung nadaanan namin sa side trip kahapon is yun yung Cincinnati lang talaga. Walang Columbus saka Dayton. So, ngayon, puntahan namin si Columbus. Yun nga, bibili kami ng mga ganun.
Keep left.
Sukang pinakurat. Kasi wala dito. Sinayad na namin yung dalawang Asian market. Wala talaga. Ewan ko ba? So, yun guys. See you later guys. Ang gilid ng mga freeway nila, ng freeway sa Ohio pa, is, ano siya, patag na patag, ayan. Napatag na patag, wala ng mga gaanong trees. Ito, may mga trees ka makita pero hindi ganun kahaba. Hindi ganun kahaba ng location na puro trees. Doon sa Kentucky, halos ano talaga, buong freeway sa gilid, matataas na mga puno talaga lang, no? Parang naka-preserve talaga doon yung mga matataas na puno doon sa Kentucky.
There's a fox.
Ah, Fox Run?
Oh, Baxon.
Fox Run na?
Oh, Baxon.
Hello, dali lang kita na nga.
Ay, manayang road gihatag sa ko.
Ah,
Mas fast daw ni kasi
hala, ang
atong
galing ni Ellie.
I-75. Di mo na I-75 good?
You're so good, Ellie. Grabe si Ellie talaga. Grabe yung photographic memory ni Ellie. Nashock ako na sinabi ni Ellie, there's a Fox Run.
Kabalo
Fox
si
Run
Ellie.
nga talaga. Fox Run nga talaga yung facility ko na daanan namin. Hello, grabe talaga si Ellie. Mas magaling yung photographic memory ni Ellie kaysa sa amin. How did you know, ate?
Kabalo na siya. Kabalo
You
na siya.
know.
Nakagi may once dire.
Gani, nakaagi gani.
Kabalo yun siya, di ba?
Oh, hello. Hala, grabe si Ellie dyan pa. Chevrolet. Ate din man ang mga dagang mga used cars. Oh, kadalas. Kita na.
Ati
Kinapay.
silang kasada dire. Well, magnasa ka na.
Uneven, no? Si Bonjour. Si Wendy's. Hi, Wendy's. Nandun lang Kroger.
Ano sila?
Layo kayo sa downtown.
Nayon din siya.
Layo kayo. Kroger. Fresh for everyone.
Fresh for everyone.
Oh, nasa sila Dunkin Donut.
Nayon din.
Gamaya, din mo na ilang
Bukid
downtown.
kayo sa tanaw.
Ang Delaware nila.
Kroger.
No.
Fresh for everyone.
Kroger, what? Sanak?
Fresh for everyone daw.
Fresh for everyone.
Fresh for everyone.
Saan siya ganun nila?
Gamay ka siya din rin.
Fresh for everyone. Okay, Rockstar. Let's look at your
Okay,
cat.
Rockstar.
Kaya mo rin sa ka ng... Sige, tanaw TV, no? Manang.
Manang.
Memorize na niya. Di ba niya? Ang ads na lang yan, memorize. Hindi pa dyan.
Ngoni.
Kaya naman biro ako sa bata pa ta. Grabe ko dito kagaya na lang.
Wala siya makagigingan na lang.
Grabe ko.
Video. Wala nga video. Find ways. Here.
Use the right lane to
Yes.
take exit 4AB onto 3rd Street and US 23.
US 23. AC Hotels, Mario.
There's a light. Why
Yeah.
there's a light over there?
Because it's so dark if you didn't
Take
turn
the
on
exit,
the
then
light.
keep left onto US 23 South.
Yay! Turn the exit and keep left.
Use the left lane to keep left onto US 23 South. In 1 mile, take a slight right turn into the parking lot.
Sabi na ko dito ta sa baba.
Dire, left one. May no dyan kasi alang.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
Say you're the left today.
May no dyan kasi
Abbott.
May no dyan
Hilton. Ano ko dito ta? Sa
Dili, dili.
left sa baba.
Mali to kung dito
You
to.
like secret.
Layo kayo tamatan.
Yeah.
Kung saan tama. May no kasi ha dyan. Muna kita yung mga ikon.
Jury Plaza Hotel.
Wow.
Ganda. Ganda.
Doon sa US na naman tayo.
US? Bakit saan ba tayo galing? Green siya.
In half a mile, take a slight right turn into the parking lot.
Wow. Gucci Air Renaissance. Yeah, we're heading to the parking lot, Ellie. Boris.
Here, Mommy.
Yes. And now it's a different city from yesterday. Yesterday we were at Cincinnati. Today we're in Columbus. Yeah, Columbus. Ohio's great home newspaper, The Dispatch. You like big buildings, Ellie? Really?
Why you like seekers?
Because I can stick it anywhere I want.
You like
And it's not, no, I don't like
Stay in the right
those.
lane.
Stay in the right lane.
Stay in the right lane. Any church? Trinity Episcopal Church.
Stay in the right
Wow.
lane.
Ano na state
Take a
house?
slight
Ohio
right turn
Chamber
into the
of
parking
Commerce.
garage, then arrive at your destination.
And right
Nay Amish
after
na
they
pod
serve.
oh. Dagan Amish din nino.
This is the underground parking.
Reaches a-
Arrive at State House Underground Parking Garage.
And dito na kami sa underground state house parking.
We're going back here.
Yeah.
Lahat na po nila.
It's a different city ate and different parking garage.
Lot full na.
No. Patay. All levels not.
And arrive at your destination.
Pero ni proceed man siya.
Tayo na to. Kasi wala na update.
Ayan, lot full na daw guys. Pagdating namin. Mailan na to pag full na. Pag dili siya mo open ang gate. Ah, nagkuan pa man siya. Nag-scan pa man siya. Ikaw sa kuda ng kuan, credit card. Oh my, pipipi siya lang.
May exit siya. May exit siya.
Wala na.
Exit me.
So where are we?
Mami, lahi na po.
May tatagwan parking.
Everything's green.
Makapanta, navigate lang parking.
Yeah, everything's green.
Navigate me to nearest parking garage.
Ayan guys, naubusan na kami ng parking space. Pati yung nakauna na car namin sa unahan.
In the hub beside
You wear your
me.
shoes.
Columbus Commons Underground Garage to.
Okay. Dili man na mahugaw.
Mommy, the Minnie Mouse one.
Yeah.
The light sauce one, mommy. The light one.
The light one too.
Oh, go underground.
Labang pa sila. Gamay ra gid guro to dito. Puno
Muto pinakabarato
naman.
manggod.
Ah.
Oh, expected may ata. Ikaw lang yun.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
This one.
Yari.
Commons parking.
Arrive at Columbus Commons Underground Garage.
Miles na only. Yeah.
Arrived.
Aray.
Ito na sila ikuan.
Mahirapan pala makakuha ng ano dito guys. I mean makapark. Yeah, ate.
Mommy, babae or lalaki?
Lalaki, a boy.
Lalaki na.
Mahirapan pala dito
Long hair
guys.
loss yan, mommy.
Yeah, because he preferred to have long hair. He doesn't want it to get caught. Mahirapan pala kami talaga makapark dito. Ay makakuha ng
Ano na sila yung mga slot dito.
garage.
Ano sila
Kaya
slot.
ayun. Ina-assist kami nung staff. Binigyan niya kami ng bagong location na parking
Turn right
garage.
onto South 3rd Street.
Sabi niya, hindi naman daw masyadong malayo from here. So, siya yung nag-type sa phone, sa Apple Map. Kaya try namin. Hopefully, may bakante talaga. Hirap pala
At the
dito.
light, turn right onto East Ridge Street.
Mas
Then
mahirap
take the
pala
next
dito
left into the parking lot.
makakuha sa ito, ay exit.
Turn left into the parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
Turn that one.
Nakatakas.
Parking garage. Lower level monthly entrance. Bakit ano? Makasaigo talang. Hurang
Parking entrance na.
mubo man kaayo.
Arrived.
Ayan. Okay, it's not full. Press for tickets.
So how many?
Hold key card here.
Tickets. Hindi pa mo ito magbayad, ano?
Ganda ng papel na-press lang si Crio ng ticket. Tapos lumabas na. Mamaya na kami magbabayad upon exit. I-scan lang din siya doon sa... Di na lang, oh, kaning Mazda. Ay, reserve 50, maday. Pag out na kami, doon na kami magbabayad. Tapos doon na din namin malalaman kung magkano yung bill namin. Depende siya sa time na bago namin ma-consume, bago namin mabalikan yung sasakyan. Oh, here.
Atras na ta.
Dili ilisod mag-atras.
Ay, ako. Gamay mo ito sa kanan. Almira kay sa SM, may sisot pa.
Atras kami. Magre-reverse parking kami. Suda, dali lang. Nagsunod po sila sa tuwa lang. Darang, katong
Stop
sila.
lagi, stop lagi. Stop lagi.
Kani iyong, lisod kini i-park.
Stop lagi up there, mommy. Stop
Yeah.
lagi up there.
Stop na.
Why is a stop on me?
Tama ra gyud no, pag maglakaw-lakaw tag mga big cities gamay nga car atong sandalon. Lang no. Kay target nato is mga ganitong ano man, mga car, mga parking area.
No, black top.
Church ko na naman to.
No.
May ako na church.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, 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 wow.
Ah.
Let's
Test sa parking.
go.
Then,
Let's go, let's
tatlong
go.
buwan. Tatlong parking garage yung
Tatlo
puno
ba?
namin, guys.
Dalawa lang. Tatlo
Tatlo.
pala.
Yung una sa Columbus,
First
yung
one is the one yung
State House. Tapos yung pangalawa,
Oo.
pangatlo to.
naiihi na si Ellie. Kaya hanap kami na ng mapaghihian niya. Asa? Dari balhin mo? Ah. Hanap kami ng mapag... Baka may CR dito lang. Ayun. Restroom.
Dito ka magbayad dapat.
Ah.
Insert ng ticket.
Okay. Dito para magbabayad guys mamaya. Ayan. Pay here before returning to your vehicle. So dito
Insert
lang.
ng ticket mo dito.
Insert. Ano?
Insert the ticket.
Here. Tapos.
Ayun mo, mga instructions siguro.
Oo.
Card. May card.
Ayun ka? Okay.
Plus here, dali.
Mulo.
Paper lang muna. Wala.
Hanap ka. Oh, okay. Hold on ate. We'll find other restroom.
Sudat na ni, City Park.
Search daw lang. Tatag restroom. Commons.
You made it, mommy.
Lagyan mo na pa ganito sa wait lang.
Ito sa mana.
Asa man?
Akan yung mga public park.
Gani, nani din eh. Let's go. Talaga si Ellie, ayan. Well, let's find a... There's a carousel, ate. Ay, no, Ellie, get it.
Daw. Mga building na.
Sa imo ato ba?
Kailan mo ginakapoint sa ng tao?
Guys, dito na. Oh, there! How ni Ellie? Ay.
Basta ba?
Tara, mabalik ka sa para mabalik. Park na.
Love. Sa... Nangita ba ko trabaho na rin?
Ano naman na siya ihatag? Basi makakit, ana siya no? Na maka... Hi, Ellie! Let's take photos here, Ellie!
I saw a carousel.
Where? Yeah, there's a carousel, but it's not yet on. You like it here, Anna?
Look it, mommy.
Yeah. You like it here? Dali ka. Sa flowers.
Like it.
Yeah, there's a carousel. Let's wait for Daddy. It's so
I
windy.
like it, mommy.
Yeah.
Here, mommy. Here.
You happy here? Ellie? Oh, there's children already. Oh, they're going.
I like it, mommy.
Okay, you will ride later after they're done because we're late now. Like it, honey. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Oh,
Natulog sa kanwa. Sige.
sa CR?
Natulog.
Who's
Tulog.
this?
You ask them how much is the ride. You ask them. Go. You ask them. Yeah. Wala nga, gato dapat gi-appeal niya. No? Okay, na go. Okay, you ask them how much is the ride. Here, fall in line here. Later.
Can I hold hands with you?
Later. Oh, let them go. No, it's okay.
Can I hold?
Okay, you stay in line. You need to ask. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay. There's a little kid here, ate. Can you go with them?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. I'm not pushing you.
What you want, man? If you want to get money, that's I'm not stopping. See, look, now is about to stop.
All right. Okay. All right. They're probably about to stop. So freeze this on. Here.
Ikaw sabay na, Ellie.
Stacy gets to the rock, stop here. There, thank you.
Ikaw sabay.
You guys go.
Huwag dito maka mag-video dia. Mag-video di ka dia kan.
What I say?
But Daddy was.
Sakay sila guys. Pang libre lang ata dito. Pang free. Pang kamo lang oh. Maglisod ko.
Aray. Kadali lang. I'm not letting you go. You hold your hand
This is the
here.
rabbitsing.
Oo. Nak, ate.
All right, is everybody ready?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, guys. Karis will start to sign the bill. Let's make sure you all toss the animals.
Dili ka mag-hold, nak.
Make sure you all everybody.
Dili ka mag-hold. Dili. Okay. Dili ka mag-hold ba sa tubo? You hold the pole. Oh, see? Oh. Dili lagi ka mag-hold. Dili. Ikaw pa kusog. I'm not letting you go, okay? You hold here. Oh, see?
If you are assisting a rider, please make sure you stay in between the animals, not on the outside. Thank you.
Don't let me go.
Oh, see? It's okay, you'll be fine. See, oh. Ay, hiwi mong lubot, ha? Ayaw panggahi. Relax, nak. Relax. Relax your muscle. Oh, Ellie! Yay! Relax. Oh, see? Are you still scared? Oh, see? Happy or not? I thought you're scared.
There's no one sitting.
Yeah, no other kids. Maybe later.
There's an orange fish.
Yeah.
Like with my shirt, mommy.
Like your short? Yeah, like with your short yesterday.
Okay, don't let me go again.
I'm not letting you go.
Why you picture the giraffe, mommy?
No, I'm not taking pictures with the giraffe. I'm taking videos of you.
Mommy,
It's done. Oh, it's not yet done.
don't let me go again.
Ay, naku, shoot. You wanna ride this one and you're scared? Still scared? Done.
I
Yay.
want to touch it.
Okay, touch it.
Please stay seated until the ride comes. Please stop and hear the bell.
Okay. You say thank you, okay? Okay, you say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Ay, ano pa na yun, guys? Libre pa na to, guys. Akala namin may bayad. Libre pala. Free pala, guys. Where's Daddy yun? They're playing the balloons.
Where's mommy?
Yeah, there. Okay. You wanna play with them? Go. Free pala yung balloons, guys. Ayan, si Ellie. Ayan, si Ellie. Sabi ko ni Ellie, you wanna play the big one? Sabi ko sa kanya. Kaya ayun, takbo-takbo na naman. Ayan. Yan ang gusto niya. Ganito. Tatakbo-takbo. Sabi ko sa kanya, gusto mo mag-play? Play. Tapos libre pala yung ano, carousel, guys. Carousel ride. Free pala. Free pala. Ang ganda, maganda din pala dito sa Columbus, dito sa main city nila. Ayan. Napakaganda ng mga buildings nila. Tsaka, mas gusto ko dito compare doon sa Fountain Square na pinuntahan namin yesterday. Kasi, fountain lang siya, tapos hindi siya ganito na may ground na makakapag laro-laro, makapagtakbo-takbo yung mga bata, mga kids. Mas maganda dito. I guess kasi para mas nag-enjoy sa Ellie dito. Hi, you're down, nak. Ayan. Gusto ni Ellie. Oh, they're inside. Okay, you hold the other side, Ellie.
Let's do it again.
Oh, you do it again, Ellie. You get on the other side, Ellie. Okay, you help them. Let's do it again. Okay.
Hold up. I'll be right back, y'all.
Hold it, Ellie.
Me too. Me too.
Oh. They're going down. Ellie's just the only one left here. They're gonna get the ball. They wanna play the ball. You wanna play soccer ball here? Okay, go play with them. Okay, get the ball. Ayan, mas nag-enjoy si Ellie dito.
Ito mo nang ito.
Oh, ako kayo siyang gizakitan, oh. Ah, nagkamay naman. Mas feel ni Ellie dire kaysa sa kuan Cincinnati. Oh. Free lang ba yun yung carousel, oh? Sabi na kung naibayad. Okay. Sige, Ellie, get one.
Okay.
You hold it. You help them.
Parking garage po na, oh.
Nag-follow siya instruction. You gotta get that sides to do yung isugo siya lang. You gotta get the sides to. Isa naman yung gikuha, no? Giingan siya na. You gotta get the other sides to. Ikaw mo siya. Tanawa. I-follow po siya. Okay. Where's the other kids?
They went over there like idiots. I don't know.
They went over there like Oh, you cannot do that without their help.
But get that side.
You need other help. You hold that side, Ellie, and I'm gonna hold the other end, okay? Okay. But we need more help. This won't work. Laruan na lang natin to, guys, kasi ano lang, fly. Oh, okay, Sway, we need the other help on the other side.
Isaac.
Where are they?
Oh no, wait. I think two people are gonna help.
Oh, where are the two people?
Oh, they're right there.
Ellie, hold her tight, Ellie.
He's right there.
Oh, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Levi. What?
Go on that side. Go on that side. Go on that side right here.
Ellie, hold on the other side. Si Ellie.
Hold that one. Hold that one.
Naglisod siya lang eh. Okay, what are we going to do?
We're gonna like put this in the air and then go under.
Oh, we're gonna put it on the air and then we're gonna go under. All right, can you count?
All right, 1,
2, 3, go! Ellie! Wait, Ellie! Yay! Oh, that was fun. Oh, that's how you play it?
Yeah, and then you just go inside.
Oh, thank you for letting my daughter play with you guys. Her name's Ellie. Say thank you. Bye-bye. See you around. Yan, tapos na si Ellie. Makipag-play doon. Ang bata o katong puti. Kaya balik-balik. Ang sakay.
Saka na po siya, oh.
Ang galing. Sakay na ba gani siya?
Ano mo po?
Ay. Mas ganaan si Ellie diri lang. Diba si mag-close na sila? Or, inya pa man hap. Sayo pa man. Tara, balik lang ta diri nak, okay? Punta muna kami sa State House nila. Pasok muna kami doon. Tapos babalik ulit kami. Yeah, that's an American flag. You like it, Ellie? You love it?
It's a flower.
Yeah, don't touch that, Ellie. It's dirty. It's too hot, Ellie.
Ito, mommy.
Yeah. Where na tong cake? So, medyo mainit-init na, guys. Puntahan muna namin yung State House kasi yun yung pinunta namin dito. But, babalik. There's flowers over there, Ellie. Sa flowers.
It's a lot of... Ayun,
Ayaw, din.
Bawal.
Ikaw karon. Sabay na lang.
Igang ko.
Igang ka? Igang do siya. Adili.
Muna. Columbus ko.
Oo, de kana. Diyan lang pala kami nag-park, guys. Yung Columbus Commons Garage. So, katapat lang ng park nila dito. Si Ellie, naiinitan. Gusto sana niya ipatanggal yung jacket niya. Sabi ko, wag.
I'm eager.
Ah, dito di adapit? Dili din hilang?
I saw a pink ball, mommy. I saw.
Where? Oh! That's a balloon.
That's a balloon.
Hmm.
Pink. I went in the canal.
Take a slight left turn.
Labang tadaan.
You wanna take a look?
Oh! You're not scared.
I went in the milk. So I just.
Inana mo tato diri oh. Ikaw mo dito. Mo naman to yun ang katong lugar sa Columbus ano.
Tama din na move man dito. Balik lang tayo niya diri para magsakay sa Ellie niya mag-play. Ah. Ikaw na po.
Ikaw na diya.
No skateboard lagi. No skateboard.
Oh, no skateboard. Bawal.
Bawal lagi.
Bawal kay ay,
Kay?
mabanggaan ng mga tao.
What
So-
no gun, mommy?
Bawal ang gun here. That's why. Ito talaga sa Ellie, marami ng mga tanong-tanong. Mahangin-hangin siya pero...
Here.
Ah, Ellie. Oo. Maraming... Mas feel ko dito, guys, kaysa doon sa Cincinnati. Kasi mas malaki yung hallway nila dito. Tapos, maraming mga tree. Like ganito sa hallway. Kaya hindi ganun kainit. Si Ellie naiinitan. Nak, but isuot lang niya po ng jacket, nak. And then yung parang park nila, may ground talaga na makakapag-play yung kids. Tapos, last points na din yung carousel nila na free rides pala, only free rides sa mga bata. So, mamaya sa Ellie
I like
magra-ride.
to go here.
It's an apartment, Ellie. It's not a mall, it's an apartment.
We're going to.
The State House.
Where's the seat?
8 cat to.
Oh no, there's a spoon.
Yeah. We don't know how to use that one, Ellie.
I know how to use
Oh, really? You
it.
d-
Kids, mommy.
Oh, di ba na pang kids? It's not for kids, it's for adult.
I know how to use that.
You know how to use that? Oh.
I know how to use that now.
Mhm.
In a quarter mile, take a left onto the path.
Ayan. Nag-a-apple map pa din kami, guys,
I
kasi
know how to use
baka mawala.
Scooter, mommy.
Oh, when you're big, when you're adult, you can buy you a scooter.
And there's from kids, mommy.
There's for kids? There's for kids. Okay. For kids. We will buy for kids, but you need to be strong.
I'm strong, mommy.
Oh, really? You need to eat a lot para maging strong.
There's from kids, the scooter.
Yeah, there's also for kids.
Mommy,
Ha? There's also for kids, pero dili siya safe na. Okay. Kasi matumba ka.
there's a
Dito
seat.
kayo na.
Ha?
Dito kayo.
Oh, dyan kami galing kanina yung first na parking garage, pero full na. May nauna lang sa amin ng isa, yun na-accommodate siya. Dito sa kami, wala na. Oh, ito yung kagandahan dito. Kasi may mga puno sila, oh. In between. Nasa hallway. Dun sa Cincinnati, wala lang, no? Ano lang talaga. Ano lang. Hallway lang talaga. Dito, kahit mainit, may green pa rin. Nakapreserve pa rin yung nature nila dito.
They're biking, mommy.
What's that the sign? It's all about. Stop na. Hold my hand na.
I'm big now.
Stay pa ta.
I know you're big. Stop pa man ta.
Stop like
Wala yung silitan dali.
Wala. Pero nakakuha mo sila. Pwede ra?
Go.
No, doon na.
Pwede.
Ganun.
why we're running so
Okay na, may
fast?
green aircon pa ba na?
Oo. We're running. Oh, careful, Ellie.
Castle wala.
Yeah. Sure tayo dun sa castle. Castle nila. Dali lang ta sa labang. Labang lang ta. Ay, sige. Dito na lang. Yeah, nice. Ayan.
I like new
You like that?
building.
Yeah, that one on our behind us. Ha?
Post office.
Ah,
Courthouse.
that's
So,
one.
search mo na ako sa AI.
Ano pala yun, guys? Itong nasa likod namin. Post office and courthouse ni Columbus. Ayan. Laki niya. Napakaganda. Parang ano talaga. Pwede mo labang nga magdiha magkuan.
Ha?
Di, pwede mo labang diha mag. No?
Pwede naman ka. Pato.
No, kay walay tao.
Hindi ka pong guna mo ma-appreciate pinakasado.
Appreciate, oy. Ma-appreciate lagi. Kanang dinha lang man sa may door, sa may stair lang man.
Igang ko.
Tara.
Soon I can't. Let's take a look the mapa.
Yeah, si daddy na kay daddy ni mo ang mapa. Gusto ko diri. Ali,
Flowers.
diri lang.
Puno.
Yeah, flowers. Ito yung gusto na Ellie. Mga flowers.
Oh no.
Ayan.
Wala pa, mommy. Nag-grow, mommy.
Oh, wala pa siya nag-grow. Mag-bloom pa na dira.
Ano ta, Dre?
Ang bango dito guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda. Ali, come on. Okay, tapos nila. Here. Ate, ayun sa ground.
I can't.
Oh. Nice. Naganda, oh. Ang tree.
The stroller is coming, mommy.
Oh! There's a stroller.
Who's sleeping? Wants
It's a kid.
So where's the sleeping?
Here lang, oh.
Ano ako dito?
Ayan. Papasok na kami sa...
State capital.
Oh, ayan. Ito na. What's up on the ground? It's so hot, Ellie.
What shop is that?
Ano to?
Make it. Oh no, it's a big wheel.
Colville, number 187, Ohio Cannon.
Canon.
What's that, Ram?
Yeah.
It's
I can't.
Oh, this
go
one.
home.
Oh, this one. Ano kay daddy? Yeah, like that.
init yan. Itong tukid sa mga init lang.
Let's go. Let's get inside.
It's a big wheel.
Yeah. It's a Canon, Ellie. Grabe ang init. Pero mahangin. Come on, Ellie.
Ito ba?
Ang gani. Klaro pag kayo siya nakarin. Gusto ko diri lang. Diri lang. Ana. Ana. Ito na yung
Capital na lang. State capital.
Sit down ka. It's
No.
Ulan.
no. Ayan, pagod na si Ellie. Wow, ang ganda niya. Light.
I'm gonna do back.
Let's stay here. Ah. Wow.
Ay, mag-sleep.
Ang ganda ng State House. Ayan. Ito na yung State House nila, guys.
I can't.
Pwede pumasok sa loob.
Pwede naman, pero bawal na tao.
I want it.
Bawal mag-video.
Ewan.
Can you go
At-
inside?
Attorney yata to ba? Or judge tong ni picture na to?
Attorney.
Kay nakadala siya gatong kuan.
Can we go inside?
Yeah, we will go inside.
Da?
Nagtarog lingkod na. Tarog na.
I like to do like this. I can relax.
Mm.
I'm tired. My feet is tired.
Oh, but...
Madaot siya.
Oh, madaot siya kung tired ka. Ang fit. Oy. Kuya,
Mas
wala.
you.
Puta niya yung shoes. Papasok kami dyan sa loob, pero hindi namin alam. Hindi kami sure kung pwede ba mag...
I need air.
Oh, there's an air. It's windy here.
Hangin.
It's windy. It's
Atong sa
hangin.
patiin.
Okay, patong.
Is E.
Mhm. Nasa Pika side. Lahi ko din nga side.
Atong sa
Sumpay lang sila.
Ah.
Kung kami nabasa ang front sa akin. Ito galing siguro front. Dito.
Basin ka ni. Okay, mau man siya, oh.
Wala
Initan
may
niya,
pangalan.
oh. Magka-skin cancer. Hindi siya tira ba?
Ano ang gusto niya? Di ba, ito gusto mo ito. Gusto mo sila magdan.
Wala masyadong tao ngayon, no? Mingaw.
Oo, ito 30. Or piece us. So, init din mga puno.
Oh. Ano to?
Here in honor of the Grand Army.
Can we?
Lest we forget, dedicated in honor of the Grand. Okay, let's go. Come on.
No, but
Come on, akong kuha ni Ellie. Asa mag-agi lang ka ni? Ari ka ni?
lipa pa. Is monkey pa rin?
Ay, kasi kilit. Oh, tatlo.
Lipa. Ah,
Up, up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hi, there's a kid to Ellie. Hi. There's a kid. She has a baby doll.
there's a water fountain.
Yeah.
Can we take together a picture in the fountain?
Okay.
I want
Okay. Lang, picture daw siya sa fountain. Look at daddy. Let's go.
very hot day.
It's a...
Hindi na. Tugay. Okay. At kaya.
Una mo katara ka mo akong picture. Come on. I-off na ko. Upstairs. Sige, you go in first. We only have 15 minutes. Ha?
Ano na mo?
Asa akong watch? Oh. Okay, you go in, Ellie. Nagtanong kami doon sa front desk if pwede ba kami mag-capture ng video while
She's reading it.
we're doing the...
Asa yung tour? Guided tour to siya?
Dili. Naman to siya kuan. Kanang... Let's go. Naman siya self-guided tour, di ba? Nga app.
Tour?
Dara. 10 to 3 every week.
Weekdays, every hour.
Paliwag ko lang ba? Okay. Pwede ba naman siya ginari?
Let's go upstairs. What are you doing, mommy?
May tao? Pero tama ka, ulit ka? Cafe Museum. Guys, napakaganda guys.
Ate, you wear na lang this one here. Dagdagan na ito dalawa na. See?
Great Ohio.
Great Ohio.
Dami sa namin. Kailangan ko ba yung pinaglalak? Ito na ko na.
Ay!
Early. Ayan guys, nakapasok na kami dito sa loob ng state nila.
Nasi mo akong cellphone, no? Picture ko talaga.
Nila, ayan, dyan. We are not enemies but friends.
Saan ka kadali?
Okay, do it like that. Ayan. Ano na dito guys? Ito. Let's take a photo in here. Ellie. Wala na. One more.
Yan tayo na. Rest ang gabog daw.
Gani. Hindi siya kasunod.
Sige, magdata yun.
Museum. Yeah, ayan. Still evolving today. Remaining relevant today. Select a video below. Free fighters. Ayan.
Abolitionism is a very important in Ohio.
Select the videos.
People who settled there
1912 of the Progressive Platform. Power to the people.
necessarily pro-black.
And this one too. The stained glass steel of Ohio, ayan, hung in the Rotonda's tomb from the 1920s to 65. Discovered and closed off a men's restroom in the Senate building. Ellie, come here.
Tama.
Ellie. So, ayan. Revised growing thing. Ayan, ang ganda. Select a video. Slavery debate.
There was likely a great deal of
See? Magic. Becoming a state. Let's go. Let's watch this. Ayan, the governor state of the state. Here. Where we are and where we go from here. Be careful, ha? The governor shall communicate at every session by message to the General Assembly the condition of the state and recommended such measures as he shall deem expedient. Ayan, ang ganda.
Beijing? Ano yung gano'n? Beijing?
Deport Veteran Services, Environmental
Oh,
Protection
I want the
Agency.
card.
Department of Medicaid.
Ayan.
Department of
Mga ano siya, working for Ohio. Ate, ano siya? Ayun.
Transportation.
Admin, Adjunct Generals, Department of Taxation,
Excuse me.
Safety. Department of Health.
Department of
Hindi ko
Health.
sa inyo sa-
Oh, yan yung pumunta sa amin sa facility no last week. Whole week talaga sila andon sa amin, whole day. Nag-o-observe sila, nagtatanong din sila sa mga residents. Ayan, meeting the needs of Ohioans. Meet the governors. Ayan.
Did you take a-
Is that where we can plug?
Ali.
Let's take a picture, Ali.
Ali, let's take a picture, Ali.
Hindug sa sopa.
Okay.
Sa masiya.
Where the revenue comes from. Try your hand at balancing the budget. Yeah, that's a lot of coins. Don't touch that, kay bawal. Yeah, it's a water. Come here.
like coins, mommy. I like making
Elections. Lang. Kuhanan tama din ha. Diri. Tapat mo ni daddy ni Ellie. Ellie. Take a card. Ito yung methods of voting nila dito. Guys. Ayan. Here. Kami ni Ellie. Ellie. Kamo pod. Hala, nice kayo siya lang. Wait lang. 1 to smile. One more. Layo man kayo. $18.50. Who can vote in Ohio? Who can vote in Ohio? Citizens over 21. All naturalized. Who can vote in Ohio 1870? Black men and white men over 21. Yan. Pwede. So, pwede ta. Sa una, sa ilaha. During 1870s. Ito yung state symbol nila, guys. Ayan.
Ito sa baba.
Ito yung state symbol
Parang
nila.
farm kasi ito.
Parang farm.
Kasi Ohio, parang ang main product nila is corn.
Corn. Yeah, me too. Vote. Ayan. Picture tayo dito, guys. Ellie here. Turner. Tapos, auto accidents are the leading cause of death among teens. Tama. So, learning to drive can be both exciting and stressful for teenagers and their parents. Totoo. My House Bill sila OC40 aims to reduce the amount of distractions teenage drivers face. The overwhelming majority of parents support restrictions for novice drivers. Ayan. Parang igo ako dyan, guys, kasi novice drivers daw. Ay, patay. A bill is simply a proposed law. Bill drafting is a craft combining art with experience. Ganda. Deliberation and debate. Ayan. The bicameral process. Ito. Then, becoming a law. So, last September, a new study in 2006 by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety found the overall crash rate among 16 years old drivers in Cali decreased by 20% after graduated licensing was adopted in 1998. So, kailangan talaga, guys, na mag-undergo ng practice, school service, ayan. Kaya strengthen teen driving laws, kaya ayan na siya, Ohio Teen Drive. The second house, anong committee? Yeah. You're hungry now? Ano yan?
Microphone.
Mm.
Session.
Committee session when you are... So... Look, kami mo naging... Oh, we will eat now after we have that. We're done here. So... Ito. Shall the bill pass? Oh, ayan, may Senate Bill 1M. Should motorcycle drivers in Ohio be required by law to wear a helmet while driving? Ayan, isa yan dahil, guys. Pero dito, guys, nakikita namin doon sa sa Finlay. Wala kami halos nakikita na nagmo-motorcycle na gumagamit ng helmet. Ayan, ito, guys, ano yan dyan?
Ito yung Finlay. So,
Doon, dyan kami under sa Hancock County.
Malapit na kami sa northern border. Sa Michigan at sa dito sa may Canada.
Oo. Sa Hancock City kami na belong. Yung Finlay, kung saan kami located. Moving
Kasi ito,
boundaries.
lake ito eh. Ito, lake. And Canada na
And
rin.
the other side, ano to? Ibang counties din to. This one.
Bali, same lang naman yan, pero 2012 to 2022. Senate districts dito, House. Ito, Congress, ito, Senate.
Mm. Ayan. Nalilibot na to. Raising awareness. Oh, ayan. Our community is counting on you. Please support House Bill.
There's a hammer.
Yeah, there's a hammer. Yeah. No, it's not a hammer, ate. It's the judge. Tawagan na. Mamupok na. Yeah. You're hungry? Okay. The Ohio General Assembly. Ayan. So, okay, let's go faster. And, yeah, it's an American flag. Picture na tamo ni Ellie diha lang. Sa flag. Hindi ka makita. Guniti mo flag. Here. Okay. 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 Ellie. See? See? Wala na ko naputol man. Naputol ang Senate of Government. Ellie! Nagkahaan siya. Putol ka po?
Okay ba?
Senate of Government. Okay na natin. Equality. Other side. There's a big bell, Ellie. Look at this. Here. Try this one. Pass and story, Filada.
Tuhan, Mommy.
Yeah, kitang duha. Diyan ka sa pikas. Ayaw, tabunin. Diyan ka sa pikas. Hold hands na ta. Hold hands. Paano kay daddy? Tamong duha. Ellie! Ellie! Magali. Oh, can I take a look? Yan. May mga kasama din kami mga Asian na nagtutour din dito. Family din sila. Wow, what's this? Cleveland sculpture. Frank L. Jeros. Yan.
Ano siya? Spirit of the name.
You're hungry now? Oh. We'll eat later. Watch out. Oh, there's a bag.
Medical saddlebag.
Saddlebag.
And 50 pound. Yeah,
Old-time doctor's medical case. Kagamay.
pagwas sa gira ba?
Yun ang gamit nila sa una.
Powders, liquids.
Yeah.
Yan sa mga position. Baby.
Naka-belt bag. Na po siya sa likod.
Apo ganit.
Yan, here.
Oh, no, let's take a look here.
Let's take a picture here too. There's a lot of flags here.
Can I touch it?
Okay.
There's Mary gone.
Yeah. Come on, Ellie.
See this.
Where are you, Ellie?
Oh no, it's the elevator.
Ellie.
I want to touch it. What's up?
Ellie.
Ellie.
Come on, Ellie. Ayan, gusto ko na mag-picture sila dalawa. Ellie!
So many flowers.
Yeah, there's a lot of flags. Ayan. That's the building, Nak. Dito. Ano to dito? Ed Arthur's Ohio flag in Vietnam. The Ohio Military Hall of Fame Medal of Valor. Wow, for heroism of combat. That's 2000.
I'm hungry now.
Okay, we will eat. Man of the Year Award, Edward I. Arthur. Born in June. Tanda na pala niya. The Seven Ranges Survey. Ito. From territory to... Ayaw, pag-touch ka lang. Huwag na mo lang.
Sulat naman yun.
Mga sulat kamay. Murag dili.
I'm
Okay, last. We will eat later. Last na lang. Last na lang in this side. See? That one, just like in movie. You like, see that one? Yeah. Let's read this one. Ali, okay, Daddy. Okay.
Amin ko na yan.
Ellie, it's fine. Stagecoach CA 1835. Ayan din. Vehicles in the mid. Ayan. Common vehicles in the mid-1800s pala to siya, guys. Yan. Ito. Tapos travelers in those days could move across Ohio by horse-drawn transport
Kalesa.
like this. Sa atin, tawag natin dito is Kalesa, and also by train canal boat. Between 1850 and 1900, all three horse, rail, and water transport operate together in Ohio. Ayan. Yan yung gamit nila before. Mga 1850s. Hmm?
Pwede ba ito entrance ngayon? Exit na rin siya dyan.
Exit. Exit siguro. Okay. Sa Pikas, dito. Here.
The elevator.
Tara, exit na sila.
Ah, exit siya. Tara, exit na.
Tara, exit na pa.
Tara, let's go. Ay. Decoration of the rest house. Here, exit.
Sigutom na. Exit mo pala?
Asa pa sila adto?
Exit mo na. Exit sa bus. Bago ito.
Ah, naagay, nakita ko. Asa sila? Tanong sa asa sila adto?
Doon ko to sila.
Murag diri naman ta mo gawas, di ba, Moni? Or diri ta ganina nagtuyok-tuyok. Okay, magkaon na pa. Mag-eat na. We're trying to find the exit, guys. Kasi ang daming nakalagay na exit. Ayan, may nakita na kami exit dyan. Ayan.
I don't know which one is way, Mommy.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm really not good on landmarks, Ate Ellie. But nakita na namin, guys, kung saan kami pumasok kanina. So this time, mag-i-exit na kami. Souvenirs. Muni. Okay. We're going out now kasi gutom na si Ellie. You're hungry na, Ellie? Ah, tara. Here.
This way.
Exit. This way. Yan, guys.
Gabas na kami guys.
So, mag-lift na ta. Asa to nga bank yung mga gi-connect sa lift lang? Lalabas na kami, guys. Ayan. Lalabas na naman kami.
State house.
Ng State House. Sa fountain, tapos na siya gusto na Ellie mag-picture sa fountain, tapos na siya mag-picture.
Wala pa, oy.
Ala, dito.
Dito, sa flower daw siya lang. Gusto daw ni Ellie mag-picture sa fountain. Sabi ko sa kanya, tapos ka na mag-picture sa fountain. Sa flower na naman daw siya. O, sige. Shh! No, you're not allowed to step on the ground. Just stay here. This is the American flag. Yeah. Okay. I'll take the photo. Picturean daw niya yung American flag siya na style, na design. Here. Oh. Okay. Here. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda ng bulag-bulag. Okay.
I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, tama na.
Ayun na mo.
Tama na, stop. Dito na ka, daddy. Ano yung natawa?
Ali kitang tulo. Ay, kamong duhas ah.
Mami na po.
Wait lang. Yan, nasan ako tulo? Ano na?
Yan,
Ano?
para bakit ako anak. I-zoom out, zoom out.
Mami na po doon. Mami na po doon.
Mami na po. Wala. Wala ko sana. Mami na po.
Ay, mag-stand lang.
Wait! Awa!
Picture na tamo dito sa bigyan ng building dahil lang.
Hmm.
Didi na po ito pala.
Oh. Raise your hand, Ellie. Raise your hand. Dito tayo na tulong kay Daddy. Tao na po. Okay. Ay, yapil mo ang... Sige, dito ka. Saka dito sa ground. Yeah, come on. Faster kay nagakuan siya sa wind. Hindi nakuan sa wind pa. Ellie! Ellie, sa camera.
Puli-puli, Mommy and Daddy.
Nami kayong smile lang.
Excuse
Para
me.
na, nagkuan na ka.
Ito pangalan sa restaurant yan, kalimot ko doon.
Pwede maglingkod na rin.
Sige rin. Ako ikaw malingkod kasi mahugong.
Dara, oh.
Malikot ka, Daddy. And then the Daddy.
Ayan, guys.
Why do you
Nagplan na lang si Creon na. Ganda talaga ng flowers nila. Oh, naka-ano siya, naka-US.
I make it.
Nagplan si Creon na magli-lift na lang kami papunta doon sa Filipino restaurant.
Or is your vitamin R?
Thank you. Nyam, 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 nyam. Feels so good.
I get vitamin E.
Vitamin E again.
Ako.
Magli-lift na lang kami kasi nakaano lang naman siya, mga 3 miles lang naman from here. So, hindi na siya masyadong, hindi nakakapagod. Kaya kasi medyo gutom na din kami. Last kain pa namin is around mga 9 a.m., 9:49 a.m. So, si Ellie, tapos nagsasabi na din si Ellie na hungry na daw siya.
Asam ka sa standard o sa in 2 minutes o 3 to 15 minutes wait?
2 minutes.
Kaya lang, standard.
Gutom na daw siya. So, tapos, nakakaano na din, nakaka-hassle na din pag kukunin pa namin yung sasakyan doon sa parking garage. Tapos, magdadrive na naman kami, gutom na. So, magli-lift na lang kami. Pinili namin yung standard na $16 na magwi-wait lang about 2 to 5 minutes.
Eli.
About 2 to 5 minutes. Tapos, dito lang namin, pwede mag-load and unloading dito? Pwede mag-stop?
Ano yata ang ano? Kunin mo pula.
Kaabot na ko,
Pwede.
Daddy. Kaabot na ko,
So,
Mommy, sa tiin.
yeah, hala, you're so big na, ate. So, hintayin lang namin dito yung lift para makakain na kami. Kasi na-addict na talaga kami dun sa Filipino restaurant. Kahapon sa Cincinnati, ang sarap ng lechon belly nila. Mula kaninang morning, may natira pa. Kinain ko kanina yung yung skin. Ang lutong pa rin.
More vitamin.
Ate, sino ka para dili ka masunog?
Oh, I don't want to wear a hat. No wearing a hat.
You wear a hat kay it's hot.
Kaya,
Kaya, napaka... Asa na siya?
Mauricio.
Ha?
Fort Taurus.
Vitamin C.
Nana siya?
In 2 minutes.
Ah, sige.
It's
Ay,
your
si Touch
vitamin
nila
C,
kayo.
Daddy.
Ma, dito ta dapit, oh. Lang. Dito dapit. Init kayo. Tumaas na naman. Asa dito ta dapit? Ah, mandapit atong kuan.
Dili, ganito bangan din ito, anak. Kanana-red na bricks. Ano, wait.
Maka-
Kaya sa flag, may talento.
Ah. Dito na lang kami maghintay sa may flag. Sa may shade ng flag.
Pagtaanin mo sa flag lang.
Hintayin namin si lift. The way na daw. Ang ganda dito, guys. Try nyo din dito sa mga may malapit lang sa state sa sa Columbus. Try nyo i-visit yung state house nila. Napaka-accommodating ng ng receptionist nila. Pagdating namin doon sa main entrance, tinanong ko agad kung allowed ba kami mag-take ng mga videos and photos for documentation purposes. Sabi niya, pwede naman. Tapos, ini-scan niya yung mga lahat ng mga gamit namin, pati watches, belt, lahat. Doon, in x-ray nila. Then, after nun, ayun na, nakapasok na kami. Maraming mga gagandang mga histories nila, gamit ng mga doctors noong mga 1800s, may kalesa doon. Ayan, may kalesa doon na ginagamit nila. Andun pa din yung mga pictures, mga bills, mga proposed bills nila noon.
Waiting on the left.
Andun yung mga previous governors, yung mga Medal of Valor, andun, naka-frame talaga doon. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yung history ni Ohio, andun siya. Tapos maganda din kasi napaka-accommodating. May mga nakasama din kaming nagtutour doon. May Asian family kaming nakasabayan, pero hindi kami nagpic-pictures din sila. Then, may mga, yan, kana? So, ayan na yung lift namin. Ayan. Hello.
Why we are riding a car, Mom?
So, it's easy for us to get there. Hindi na mag-drive kasi we're hungry na. So, ayan. Andito na kami sa lift. Ay, sa car. Punta na kami sa Philippines. I'm holding you. Punta na kami. So, Ellie, you pray na, Ellie.
The Father, the Son, Papa, please keep us safe. I make some vitamin E. I eat a vitamin E.
Oh, another vitamin E.
Yummy, so good. Here's your vitamin R.
Vitamin R, yum, 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 yum. Oh, so yummy.
But Daddy,
Get your vitamin.
I take a vitamin C. The vitamin C.
Thank you.
Yes, your vitamin C, Daddy. Good to go.
Punta na kami. Malapit na naman. Mga 3 miles lang. So, tama-tama. Pagdating doon, gutom na talaman. Bantay ba at Ellie, ha? You eat a lot of food, ha? Because you said you're hungry. Okay. Yan. Star building. So, little buddies. Going outside now.
And what exactly is salt? I want to be sure I'm hearing you right. Salt. And that's what gets.
Look, maybe Namex Pros can explain it if you're
Well, Apex Pro says some ones are made in groundwater from accumulating in the basement, especially this time.
What color is this car, Mommy?
This is red outside. It's red.
Ah, the dog! Nakulatan ko. I saw a Mazda.
Yeah. Just like our car.
Nakulatan ko.
Punta na. Aray.
I want to take a look the window.
Okay.
It's nice in the view. I saw a swing over there. I like the swing. I like swing, Mommy.
You like swinging?
I like swinging.
You don't feel dizzy when swinging?
I don't feel dizzy.
You don't feel dizzy?
You first.
Me, I feel dizzy.
Why you
Every
feel
time I
dizzy?
swing. Yeah, I just don't like swinging.
Why you like swing?
Because
It's not spinning, Mommy.
Yeah, it's not spinning. I don't like spinning too.
Why you dizzy? Why you dizzy?
Oh, the lights are on. They didn't turn off the.
Why did it turn off the light. Yeah.
Forgot to turn it off.
Ah, Daddy, help me.
I feel like, huh?
Mommy, can I take a look here?
Yeah, you can take a look.
Stop it.
Maricas. Ate, ate, ate.
Mom, my screen. Ah, my arm. Look what that doing. It's moving.
Yeah, we're moving.
Moving. I like to move. Wow, wow, woo, 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 woo. It's a deep blue. What color is it? The car.
Blue. Green.
And it's not big.
Ayan, nandito na kami. Ayan. Bonifacio Modern Filipino. Ayan. Suranta mo, yan na lang. Hindi ko magkaon. Pasok na sila. Kain. Other side. Dito na kami, guys. Just stay here. The other side. Hello.
What's that, Mommy? It's a flavor.
It's a flavor.
I like it, Mommy.
Sit here.
It's a flavor with water.
Ayan, dito na kami, guys. Ano ba dito tayo pupunta doon? Bibigyan tayo ng menu dito. What's this?
Food, Mommy. Food.
Okay, sit down. Yeah.
Food.
Sit down.
It's a flavor. It's a flavor. Can I put that here?
Yeah.
We have a reservation here in an
Oh.
hour.
Ah, sorry.
So
Sorry.
you can either push those two together or you guys just at this tabletop.
All right.
Thank you.
Is it just the three of you?
Yeah. Come on, Ellie.
It's a flavor. I want the flavor.
Enjoy, guys.
Okay, oh. Sit here, Ellie. Where's the menu?
Yeah, sugar.
Flavor.
Yung isa tawag
This one? Yeah. You wash your you dry your hands here. Is it for your hands?
Clean hands, okay?
It's a flavored water.
No, it's not. It's not like the one like in school.
It's a flavor.
So ito yung Bonifacio Filipino restaurant dito. Mga 3 miles. Yun siya. Diri dapat rin. Okay, makitaan dito.
How are y'all doing?
Hello.
My name's Kay. I'll be taking care of y'all. Have you been in here before?
No, it's our first time.
Welcome in. I'll bring you a menu and I'll go over it with you so you can
Alright.
understand a little better.
It's a food, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's a food. Can I eat that?
No, it's a banana leaf. Ba ako bedere.
Sisig and eggplant.
Eggplant?
Eggplant.
Alright. You like eggplant?
One inasal. I think that's it. Yes.
And you ordered for her as well.
I'm just gonna give my inasal.
What is it?
I'm just gonna give my inasal.
Okay, cool. So I have 2 garlic rices, 2 eggplants, 1 lechon poli, 1 pork lumpia, 1 pork sisig, and an so. Sound good?
Yep.
Sounds good.
Alright,
Thank
I
you.
can take these menus out of your way for you. These are already in.
Thank you.
And are you guys gonna eat with your hands or would you like silverware?
Come again?
Would you like to eat with your hands or do you want silverware?
I prefer utensils.
Gusto ko. Yan, ano siguro mga Pinoy ba ano?
Ah.
Picture ka dali lang. Nakita ka dali ba? Ato dali. Oh, nasa na.
Sorry. Thank you. Ellie, come here, Ellie. Sit here.
Come here. Come over here.
Come over here. Come over here or we're
Let's take a picture. Real quick.
careful. Ang siya, piling ko ba? Ellie! Tayo man. Anak.
Ano sa camera? Sa camera? Yes,
Yay! Thank you, Ellie!
What's that, mommy? What's that?
Very low trabaho. Kita din mas lesson lang mo.
Oh.
Apply na po na.
Katulaging medcare.
Ano yung applyan mo? Kung saan mo kita na, apply na na.
Napod ko siya RN psych lang. Pati,
Second.
ang shift niya kay second o third na lang. 2 to 10. 2 to 10. O 10 to 7. 10 to 6.
Wala na po time. Pag muli ka, wala pa po time kay Ellie. Muli na ko. Kaya ito tayo, wala naman kayo time na yan po.
Ang
Ito tayo, wala na kayo time.
tamot na mo. Later na.
Pag-play pa ba? Kaya
Let's
ito.
try it, mom. Try it.
Nice.
One more. Okay. Dance. Third na.
I'm thirsty.
If you're thirsty, you drink water. You need to eat the rice first before you eat some. Before you drink that one.
Sip. Wow.
Sip water.
Sip.
Water. Mag-4 na good day long. Wala pa kabutong 1,000 ang katong spark ninyo. Pero maglisod siya saka sa 1,000 lang.
Ako na, sure.
There's our food.
Excuse me.
On our ends here we have eggplant. This is your inasaw, the lechon kawali,
Yeah, it's
the
not
lumpia, and the sisig. Rice, obviously, too. And then this is the main tomato sauce, sweet chili sauce, and the sweet sauce.
Guys, grabe. Parang budol fight pa na talaga.
I'm hungry.
Oh, she's hungry daw lang. Okay.
I need plate.
Ha, you need plate? Kailangan daw siya ng plate.
Kung naman na yung plate na to.
Naman lagi sila yung plate ng iban.
Oh no, I like this, mommy. I like
Wala lang. Okay na. Plate naman na.
Plate naman eh. This will be your plate. Your dahon is your plate.
Here ang Filipino, Ali.
I want
Okay, you pray.
Okay.
Pray, Ali, in the name of the Father, the Son.
eggplant.
Okay, you pray.
Water is everything. Papa God, Papa Nin, thank you for the blessing.
Amen.
Emma, I want eggplant. I want eggplant.
May spoon lang.
Wala.
May spoon ng iban.
Amount ah. Tao daw, ikaw may makikita siya. Buko ka bantay na. Bantay ko lagi. Susil.
Where's the eggplant?
Lugin na lang ito.
Mommy, where's the eggplant?
Punta lang, tulong. There's the eggplant here. Here's the eggplant. Magkuha ka sa daddy's spoon. If na ay plate, additional plate na lang po kayo. Hindi siya comfortable.
I don't want
It's okay.
What's that? What's that, Mom?
It's for you to cover your... Here's your lumpia, Ellie, and your pork. Here's your eggplant. Okay. Here's your plate.
Madali na.
Sibog na lang. Sibog na lang. Ano na? Wala siya space.
Ano na? Panti lang ka may game sa mga. Tagakanta siya.
Gani. Diha ang kuha na kay nakanan.
Init ang gusto niya.
Pwede siya Okay, you get the rice na.
Not too much. That's a little bit.
Yeah. There's a sauce here too.
Too much. Okay. Rice.
Wala. Ang ako. Here's the sauce. Sweet. I like this one. Here's your lumpia, Ate Ellie. And your pork too.
Sauce. It's your lumpia and your egg. She loves the eggplant. First time eggplant. Tumas.
May kang talong nila.
Ano?
Pagtimplang. Pero mura man siya nga talong sa Walmart. Gidag ko. Ano, aircon nila din, no? Kalabat sa ulo. Ano?
Tama naman. Diba naulo kayo ng kakaon? Wala naman.
Kuha niyo sauce lang.
I want barbecue. I want pork.
Ha?
There.
Pero naka-stick to, ano stick?
Nang kasi Ellie sa pork.
There's a chicken barbecue, Ellie. You want this?
A place, mommy.
I don't need a plate. I can eat in the banana leaf.
You want this, mommy? You want this?
No need. I can eat well. Daddy na ni mo mahugaw siya. Pakita ko sa mango juice na Ellie lang.
Kami.
Kami siya. Nang kasi Ellie sa chicken o sa pork.
Pwede lang?
Nang kasi Ellie sa chicken o sa pork na. O sa egg crab. Mapit na niya mahulot ang egg crab. Kung nag-eggplant ka lang, halimuhan ng egg crab. Why?
Ganahan mo kong bacon. Ganda ba na sa pagkakaroon?
Dili good.
Kung sabaw, di ko na kayo. Huwag ka na mangyari ba? Tug ba?
Ay, pag ganang sa pork ka na, pero yung kaon yun.
Sa mga mahal na pagkaon, yan.
Ako pili lang sisig. Messi kayo. Ayan, chicken.
Yeah.
Namilang chicken.
Okay, so when I call out of
It's like literally so hard. And I'm like, well, I hope
is there anything that's something that
Off na na po.
Ito guys. Ito, before and after. Ito ng after. Nice quality. Yan na lang. Sarap ng pagkain guys. Hey, thank you.
It's not pink yet, mommy.
Asa the picture? Guys, ito na, labas na kami. And then yung sasakyan namin, iniwan namin dun sa Sa Columbus na downtown.
And,
Picture muna kami guys. Sa Bonifacio.
where's Ellie here?
Nice.
Ano, Ellie? Ako daw.
Okay naman, gapo man.
Na.
Okay.
Here guys, ayan, masarap na masarap yung food nila talaga, super. Yeah, it's sunset. Ito yung nabalot namin guys. Kasi ang dami, so pinabalot namin. Sayang naman. So, same kahapon, nagpabalot. Ate, dito sa landong, ate. Nagbili namin ng ubos, kaya nagpabalot na naman kami. Para pang dinner. Pero last night hindi na ako nakakain. Pagsaka ko na sa bedroom sa taas, hindi na ako bumaba para kumain. Si Creo na lang. Tsaka si Ellie hindi na din pala nag-dinner. So dito namin hihintayin yung car. Mona?
There's a yellow flower. Cool. It's so cool.
Huwag ka na, Kia Sportage mo ba siya?
Oh,
Zara. Tia.
Huwag ka na. Oo, budget. Tara.
Andyan na yung car namin. Car namin talaga, no? Yung lift.
Lagyan open.
Okay. Careful.
Pas kayo nakita sa dalam.
Fast.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Can I stop at me?
No need to sabak. You sit on your own.
Thank you. Good, all good.
Good.
Nice. Riding a lift.
I'm sorry.
We're going back to Columbus downtown area.
Daddy.
See you later guys. Off ko muna to.
Pizza lang.
Ellie. Yes, Mama. You sing daw the song.
Yeah, mama is inside. Weeble wobble, weeble wobble, Sally. Weeble wobble, Sally on the plane. Yeah, we go. Weeble wobble, Sally on the plane. The data fall out the plane.
Ah, yay!
Pretty. It's so.
Oh, sa prato. Tak.